Before you scroll, ask yourself, what if you could use artificial intelligence to safeguard endangered species? What if your next project help clean the air in city or protect rainforests without leaving your decks? This is not a dream. It is already happening. And in this video, you will learn how ecology and technology are coming together to shape the future and how you can be part of it. This is not just about saving animals or coding an apps. It's about creating an environment where science, data, and innovation work with nature, not against it. Whether you're an ecologist, curious about AI, or you are a tech professional passionate about conservation, this is your starting point. Before we proceed, let's take a look at the meaning of ecology. Ecology basically can be defined as the study of how living things interact with each other and with their environment. Now, the good thing about ecology is that it enables us to answer so many questions. For example, why the pollinators populations are decreasing. For example, with ecology, we'll be able to know why the population of bees are decreasing. And you and I know quite well that bees are responsible for food production because they are agents of pollination. So without bees, in some cases, or in most cases, we may not have enough food to eat. Another thing again is ecology will enable us to answer questions like, what happens when forests are destroyed? How does climate affect wild animals, and how does it affect birds as well? Ecology will also enable us to answer some other questions like, what happens if the impact of climate change continues for some period of time, and how does it affect the food you and I depends on? But here is the hard truth. Traditional methods such as depending on rainbow for forest conservation, field notes, and static map cannot keep up to the modern environmental challenges or problems. From satellite imagery to machine learning and mobile app, we now have tools that can track illegal deforestation in real time, predict species decline before it happens, and then identify animals using facial recognition, monitoring air quality and then water quality using smart sensors. Now, in short, technology supercharges our ability to protect nature. Now, let's take a look at real example. Now, some of the modern technologies that are used over the years in studying birds, one of them is eBird. eBird is an app that is developed, and most cases, bird watchers who manages to spot or sight bird species usually upload the bird species sighted on the app. Now, the AI platform which powers the app analyzes the data to track migration patterns globally, and anyone out there can contribute. Apart from that, Global Forest Watch uses satellite technology to detect forest loss and notify government or environmental activists instantly. We also have White Book, which is also another facial recognitions for zebra, whales, and giraffe, and it helps to track animals without invasive tags. Now, these are global tools, but even local projects like air quality sensors in schools or biodiversity mapping without drones are making differences. Why it matters. Now, the good thing about the level of advancement in technology is that it enables students to build apps and then run community projects. Researchers now can automate data analysis using Python. Now, tech experts can develop smart conservation tools, and such smart conservation tool could also be adopted to contribute to nature conservation. Policy professionals can use data to influence decisions. Educators can teach this integration to next generation. No matter your level, you have something to offer. This is where impact meets innovation. How to get started? Yes, you actually need to be part of this change. Now, all you need